Hey, welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to try something that I've kind of always wanted to try. I've never done it before, but I'm going to make laundry detergent. I've made homemade soap in the past, and I've said this before, but part of the reason I like to do this is just for the knowledge of to know how to do it if I ever had to do it. Sometimes it gets in my mind about saving money, if I can save money doing something myself. What I learned with making homemade soap is that it's not cheaper than buying the cheapest soap on the shelf at Walmart. It's actually fairly expensive even if you're making your own homemade soap. This, however, would be an extreme money saver compared to buying laundry soap, even the cheapest laundry soap, liquid laundry detergent off the shelf at Walmart. So it's going to take 1 box of borax, 1 bar of the Purex naphtha soap. You're going to grate that up, and this is a 5-gallon bucket. I get the kind that I can put a screw-on lid on. It's food safe, so I don't have to worry about it deteriorating and getting into the product, whatever I'm storing in it. And hot water. So you have 5 gallons of hot water. So this is going to make 5 gallons of laundry soap for $4, something like that. This is like $1, and this is borax isn't that expensive. $3. I don't even know. It's cheap. So I'm going to get started, and this doesn't take too long. Oh yeah, one other thing. One of the videos I saw showed adding 1 cup of like a regular liquid detergent, laundry detergent to it, and that helps from kind of gelling up. So you have to add that. You don't have to add that. I'm going to add that and see what that does. All right, let's get started. Has a pleasant clean smell to it, kind of a lemony. And this is just a laundry bar stain remover. So and we're just gonna shred it up. And we're only doing this to help it dissolve in the hot water better. There you go. Looks like grated cheese. I'm only going to fill the bucket about halfway so I can stir it easy and kind of get the stuff dissolved in there, and then I'll fill it the rest of the way and stir it up good. So I got about half full. I'm going to add my naphtha. That actually smells good. I kind of like that smell. I'm going to add borax. Going to stir it up. So this is the detergent that we would normally buy at Walmart. It's $7, $6 to $8, somewhere in that range. That's just under 1.5 gallons. And this is going to be 5 gallons for less than that. So it's a money saver. I'm saving these to refill. This is that 1 cup of that liquid detergent. I'm going to keep stirring this and see where we get. This might have to be something that sits and just kind of dissolves over an hour or so. We'll see. I'll show you later. Alright guys, it's been about 19 hours, 19 and a half hours. I can see there's still some chunks of soap in there. They're not big chunks. Last night when I got home from work I checked it and a lot of that shredded soap was at the top. It floated to the top like this. It was like a mat of it. So I got the beater out, the stick beater, and did this. And that made a big difference. Like I said, I've never done this before, so I think it's something you might have to do, because that soap didn't just dissolve up on its own. Maybe a different kind of bar soap like that would, but that naphtha didn't dissolve up. So now we're going to bottle it. You can see the consistency. I'd say it's slightly more runny than standard liquid detergent, but guess I'm not going to be too concerned about that if it gets clothes clean. Oddly enough, they smell very similar. This is Summer Escape, the Sun brand. Looks like they kind of have grapefruit and pineapple on there. This definitely has a citrusy, lemony smell, so the aroma from the two of them is very similar, I think. I'm actually going to do a load of laundry. Just to check it out. Well, we need to do laundry anyways. Whoop. With 4 kids, it doesn't take long to get laundry built up. It's almost a daily thing. Oh. Alright, we'll stop there. We don't want to force suds out. I'm going to rinse that off, and we'll go down and start a load of laundry. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video.